Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's begin with track and field. Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah continued her blistering form by breaking the meet record as Jamaica had 3 winners at the Paris Diamond League meet on Saturday. As Jordan Fort reports, Olympic champion Hansa Parchment and former world champion Danielle Williams were also among the winners in France.
Such has been the form of Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah that she made breaking the 10.7-second barrier in the 100 meters look routine ever since she stormed to gold in the Tokyo Games. Since then, she has returned a 10.54 and a 10.64 seconds in Eugene and Lausanne, and continued that form in Paris with a comfortable 10.72 seconds run.
Well, away first time, the headband of Thompson-Herah going well. Pushing her well is Dina Asher-Smith. Thompson-Herah, though, now through the transition phase into her running. Let's keep an eye on the clock. She's streaking away. 7.72.
Olympic bronze medalist Sharika Jackson was second in 10.97, with compatriot Natasha Morrison fourth in 11.09. In fact, the Jamaicans seemed to enjoy themselves in the French capital as Olympic champion Hansa Parchment rebounded from an 8th place finish in Lausanne on Thursday to clock a season's best 13.03 seconds to win.
Monga and Potsy left of picture. Well, going best at the moment perhaps is Parchment in the white there, the tall figure of the Jamaican beginning to ease clear, going well in lane 2 is Daniel Roberts as well, and coming back is Devon Allen now. Devon Allen taking second spot, 13.03.
Compatriot and Olympic bronze medalist Ronald Levy was fourth in 13.24. The women's equivalent also saw a Jamaican winner as 2015 world champion Danielle Williams showed her class in winning in 12.50 seconds, with compatriot and Olympic bronze medalist Megan Tapper finishing third in 12.66.
Good start there from Tapper in the white. Tapper quickest away, she's the bronze medalist from Tokyo. Going with her is Cunningham, and on the far side looking really strong at the moment is Danielle Williams. Danielle Williams leading from Visser at the moment. They take 1-2. Really strong second half from the pair of them. A fall there.
Olympic finalist Genevieve Russell finished third in the 400-meter hurdles in 54.75, behind winner Gianna Woodruff, who clocked 54.44. Another Olympic finalist, Candice McLeod, was 7th in the 400 meters in 51.41 seconds, with the win going to Olympic silver medalist Marilady Paulinho in 50.12. Earlier, Nigel Ellis was a second-place finisher in the men's 100 in 10.14 seconds, with Julian Fort finishing 5th in 10.21. The next stop on the Diamond League calendar is in Brussels on September 3. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.